Changing a template. The templates are sample layouts provided for beginners. Click Template. Select a template to change. And click Complete. The change template will be applied. You can easily create a layout using Create New Template. When you click Preview, you can see that the change template has been applied. When changing a template, the existing design will be initialized. However, the design set in the previous template will not be initialized. So you can use it back to the previous template if you want.